primary problems in the church are always caused by the Christians who call the church home but don't love one another.
He saved the automobile industry.
He doubled the stock market.
He ended Don't Ask, Don't Tell.
He streamlined student loans and lowered their interest rates.
He ended the war in Iraq.
He enabled young people to stay on their parents' health care plans.
He strengthened oversight of Wall Street con men.
He passed the Lilly Ledbetter Fair Pay Act for women.
He made it possible for people with pre-existing conditions to buy health insurance.
He saved the economy from imminent collapse.
He supports marriage equality.
He defended access to family planning and birth control.
He created the Consumer Financial Protection Agency.
He supports Planned Parenthood.
He appointed Sonia Sotomayor to the Supreme Court.
He appointed Elena Kagan to the Supreme Court.
He supported and aided the rebels who toppled Muammar Gaddafi.
He ended torture of prisoners.
He increased paid benefits and medical care for veterans.
He expanded Pell Grants for low-income students to go to college.
He boosted fuel efficiency standards for cars.
He passed legislation protecting credit card users from abuse by banks.
He expanded protection against hate crimes.
He forced British Petroleum to clean up their mess in the Gulf and to pay damages.
He expanded stem cell research.
He expanded the number of children who now receive health care.
Mahatma Gandhi told that if all men and women, whatever the differences between them, cling to the truth with respect for the unique dignity of every human being, a civilization of love can be achieved. May God guide us and bless us as we strive to work together hand in hand and build together a world of peace.
He forced British Petroleum to clean up their mess in the Gulf and to pay damages.
He expanded stem cell research.
He expanded the number of children who now receive health care.
He was free of personal scandals.
He eliminated useless weapon systems that the Pentagon didn't even want, like the F-22.
He handled with grace and humor the charges that he was a foreigner, not born in the United States.
He signed a new nuclear arms agreement with Russia.
He vastly expanded the use of predator drones in destroying terrorist safe havens.
He placed the wars in Iraq and Afghanistan on budget so that we would have an honest accounting of what they were costing.
He appointed Hillary Clinton Secretary of State.
He extended unemployment insurance.
He extended and improved the Violence Against Women Act.
He restored federal agencies like FEMA to the point where they could actually help in an emergency.
He oversaw a 50% reduction